In this short video, I'm going to show you how to make fields mandatory in Wix contact form. The first thing I want you to do is to head over to your Wix editor and find the form that you want to edit. As you can see on my screen right here, this is going to be the contact form that I'm going to be editing. And in this case, I want to make the first name field and the email field mandatory for everybody that wants to fill out this form right here. So what you need to do first is simply click on the form to highlight it, and then a bunch of different buttons are going to appear above or below the form. I want you to click on this edit form button right here, and then that's going to take you to the form editing kind of like section of this specific form. So once this loads up, what I want you to do is to simply click on the field that you want to make mandatory. In my case, I want to make the first name mandatory. Once you've clicked on it, you highlight it, you will see some more buttons appear above it. Click on settings here, and on the right hand side, you will see required field. Simply enable this option right here, and then you will see this little marker appear right next to the field name. That basically means that the field is now mandatory before the user can submit the form. The same goes for all the other fields. As you can see, required field, make this mandatory like this. Then all you have to do is simply click the save button right here for your changes to reflect. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how to make fields mandatory in Wix contact form. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.